Welcome to the world of exploration. Welcome to the world of learning. Let's start exploring. Let's start learning. This is your very own educator, teacher, philosopher, friend, guide, mentor, guru, uh, one and all. And this is the one-stop destination for all the solutions out there. And today's news is that the TET result has been announced. Yes, you heard me right. CTET का रिजल्ट आ चुका है एंड ये अब तक की सबसे पहली खबर जो कि इतनी देर से people have been waiting for the result so that when is the result gonna be announced. So now the result has been announced, and so let's get started. I'll just be telling you how to go about, right? So the steps. So basically what you are supposed to do is that you are supposed to first and foremost go over here. So it show you the site, right? So Central Teacher Eligibility Test, CTET India, CTET this, right? You have to click on this. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to this site, your Central Teacher Eligibility Test, CTET, Central Board of Secondary Education site, right? I hope it is visible to you guys, right? Here in CTET Feb 2026 result has been mentioned, has been clearly mentioned, which wasn't mentioned earlier, right? And it's showing 30th March 2026, 1941:09, like the time, right? So ये शो कर रहा है सीटेट फेब 2026 रिजल्ट जो पहले नहीं शो कर रहा था, right? So now what we are supposed to do is that यहीं पे click करना. So we are supposed to click on CTET Feb 2026 result, and it will take us to CTET Feb 2026 result. नीचे it is highlighted in red, so it's a clickable link, right? When you click on that link, it will bring a pop-up window stating that you are being redirected to an external website. Please note that Central Teacher Eligibility Test cannot be held responsible for external websites, content, and privacy policies. So you just have to click OK, because ultimately you have to see your result, right? आपको चेक करना है अपना रिजल्ट. सो आप एक्सटर्नल वेबसाइट पे जाओगे ही जाओगे, है ना? सो उसमें डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. आप जाएंगे और then what you will see is again Central Teacher Eligibility Test, CTET, February 2026 mark statement. So you have to enter your roll number. After you enter your roll number, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is your roll number, right? I'm just giving you a fabricated roll number, right? Suppose that's your roll number. So you will enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you will submit. अगर आपका हो गया है, congratulations. और आई नो इट इज वेरी वेरी टफ. ये सीटेट जो है बहुत टफ होता है. इट इज वेरी हार्ड. it's quite it's big challenge, right? So ये बहुत बड़ा challenge होता है किसी भी टीचर के लिए सीटेट क्लियर करना. I know, and it's very challenging for students as well, because we are, as students and as teachers, we have a lot of responsibilities which कई बार ओवरवेलम कर देता है. तो अगर आपका क्लियर हो गया, देन ऑसम, एक्सलेंट, हैट्स ऑफ. मेरा क्योंकि ये क्लियर हो चुका है, मेरा बहुत पहले ही क्लियर हो चुका है, तो मेरे लिए ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि मैंने खुद दिया हुआ है. और जब मैंने दिया था तब मैंने बहुत बहुत पढ़ाई करी थी, बहुत. And being a PGT and then giving a TGT exam just to secure your seat, I mean, it was very challenging, and you have to study a lot, and you have to study a different department altogether. So I know the predicament. And जिनका नहीं हुआ है, don't lose hope. आप पढ़ते जाइए. जब जैसे जैसे आप पढ़ते जाएंगे ना, the way you start, the moment you start feeling that okay, now I would study for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, then I'll expand and and so on and so forth. You start noticing a lot of change, right? So jinka nahi hua hai, don't lose hope. Your Sukriti ma'am is very much there, right? So you can ask Sukriti Joshi ma'am any time, any moment, right? And I'm here to help you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Having said that, this is Sukriti Joshi ma'am signing off. Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Krishna.